Okay, hi guys, what's up? So girls in Absolutely, and I want to show you guys what's in my tech bag for 2025. This is our first video of 2025. So if you're just joining us, this is Python Design Studio. My name is Zainab Soleil and welcome. Okay. Okay. Hi guys. If you are just joining us, my name is Zainab Soleil and this is our what's in my tech bag for 2025 edition. I know I did the last one last year, but I said let me show an upgraded one since I have newer stuff basically. So if you're just joining us, like I said, my name is Zainab Soleil. This is the channel for Python Design Studio by a web design agency in Nigeria, and I think you're gonna like it here. So if this is what you like to watch, subscribe, become a fan. Anyone, welcome. So quick one, what's in my tech bag? I do videos like this because sometimes people don't know what is essential to carry, what you can carry every single day as a tech person. And there are some essentials that never leave my bag. And last year I showed a small sling bag, which is good, it works. But for this year, I have a different bag. I have this is now my new tech bag. It's slightly bigger than the last one, but I prefer it because it can carry a lot more stuff. So first things first, I'm gonna start emptying it so that you see what's inside. But I'm gonna start with we have the iPad. This one goes everywhere with me. It's like I have the bigger laptop, but when I'm going out and I need to attend to clients on the go, I always prefer to have my iPad in a pouch. So the last one was just there, but I have this, and this has the magic keyboard, with the pencil, which is useful when you want to type without carrying an extra keyboard. So I like this very well. This is like the base of all my operations. Everything is here. It's still on the big laptop, but I can't be carrying a big laptop everywhere now. Abby. And then it's also in a pouch. And then this pouch, it's the Lagdo pouch I got on Amazon for like $10. And it has a cable inside, a USB-C cable inside, separate, that just stays there standalone, so that even if I run out of cables, I just have a 10 feet USB-C Amazon Basics cable that just saves my life. So that is that about what's in the tech bag. Then I don't have much actually. Then I have this. This is like my everyday carry from Maxpedition that has different things inside. This one, same thing. I got it for like $20 off Amazon, but it has essentials. So if you don't see me carry what I'll show you guys next, you'll always see me carry this one. And what does this one have? This one has a very flat charger from Budi, 35 watts. I love it. I love the form factor because it's so flat, and you can just open it and plug it to the wall, and it's fast. And also, you'll find that I have my power bank, my Anchor power bank. This is a 10,000 mAh. I love the fact that it also has inbuilt, which is a USB-C factor. you know. Now, in the last video, I showed that I had the bigger laptop one, but there's no need. This can charge my iPad once and then it will die. But it can also charge my iPhone like twice. So it's very useful, and I like the small form factor. And then you'll find um, a basic stand, just a basic stand that I got off Amazon for like $6. Because when you want to do video calls, it's not every time you want to be carrying an iPod, and. So this is another very good form factor that I like. And then outside that, I have the two cables for USB-C and my normal iPhone. Since I have the 14 Pro Max and I'm not upgrading anytime soon, that is the laptop of the cable of choice. And that is basically it in the bag. Then, most importantly though, I have my another everyday carry from Maxpedition, which I am in love with. But this one basically just carries my tech accessories. You're gonna find things like my You're gonna find my cables, my cards, basically everything that was in the last pouch, banking stuff, clips. You're gonna find obviously my mic, my wireless mic, this one. This I think you've seen everybody use it. The thing is even annoying at this point. Then you've seen everybody use the Holy Land, my M2. It's what I'm using at the moment. It's a really great mic, absolutely great. And then you find cables, USB-C cables. I just love the form factor of this Max Edition case. I think it's something that people don't really think about. I like the fact that you could open it, spread everything inside, and it just works. You could carry it like this as is, but I like to put it inside the bag because why not if not? Oh, by the way, if this is the kind of thing you like, we're not always going to be pitching web design and everything. Sometimes we do everyday carries like this, and I think I like showing what you can carry in your bag. So, if this is what you like, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is my second channel, and this is for the company. And because it's all tech, I think you're gonna like it here. And then, last but not the least, this is something I really love. It's Tintress. I think it's called Tintress, and it's a journal because I always take my journal. I got the Olight pen, which is small, but then this is like a normal journal where I just basically just write my thoughts and my plans for the month or everything inside, and that's it. Let me talk about the bag a bit. The bag, um, this bag is from Winston Leather. I got it in Nigeria for like 100K. It's a really, and I like the form factor. What I don't like about the bag is that it looks big, but it can't carry anything. Basically, once I put the iPad inside and these three things, the bag is full, and it's heavy because it's leather. But I like the form factor, and I like that it's bigger than the last everyday carry. So basically, that's what's in my bag. So this is a short, brief video to welcome in the year because we're starting sort of late, but I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the videos on the channel. We're literally brand new. So shout out to the 10 subscribers. And I guess I'll see you in more videos. Bye bye.